Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to learn how to use a beautiful and powerful phrase, Subhanallah.
سبحان الله زي القلم الجسماني.
سبحان الله يعني اللي متعود على
بالأخير سبحان الله بعض الأحيان أنت تبدأ
وجدت سبحان الله أنه يشابه.
سبحان الله لما تقرأ كتاب
سبحان الله هو ربنا بيعطي
First of all, we're going to start by its meaning. What does it mean, Subhanallah? Subhanallah, it means glory be to God, or God is free from any imperfections. It comes from the root word sabbaha, and it means to glorify or to exalt. But in daily conversations, it has broader users. People use it in all sorts of situations. I'm going to break it down into three main ways it is used in everyday life. One, expressing amazement or wonder. When you see something beautiful, breathtaking, or incredible, it's like saying wow, but with a deeper meaning. Let me show you some examples. Imagine you are standing under the sky and suddenly you see the northern light dancing in different colors. What would an Arabic speaker say? Subhanallah. Wow, look at God's creation. 2. Expressing shock or surprise. Subhanallah isn't just used in beautiful moments. It is also used when something shocking, surprising, or even tragic happens. It is a way to acknowledge that something is beyond our control. For example, if someone hears a huge earthquake on the news, he might say, Subhanallah. Oh my God, that's unbelievable. Or if you hear a story about someone surviving a dangerous accident, people often say Subhanallah to express their amazement that they made it out alive. 3, and the final one, expressing reflection and gratitude. Sometimes where people think about the universe, life, or even their personal struggles, they might say Subhanallah to remind themselves of God's wisdom and power. Imagine you're staring at the stars at night, thinking about how massive the universe is. Many Arabs would say Subhanallah as a way to acknowledge the greatness of creation. So now you know, Subhanallah isn't just a religious phrase. It is a powerful expression that many Arabs use for amazement, surprise, and reflection. Now it is your turn. Have you ever used Subhanallah before? If not, try to make a sentence with it and drop me your answer in the comment. I will be checking them out. Finally, I welcome you to visit our website at talkarabictoday.com, where you can get our premium course designed for anyone who wants to speak Arabic fluently. I teach you all the steps you need in order to be fluent and have natural conversations with anyone. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep studying, keep practicing, and enjoy your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.